In the middle of the ocean, tidal wave is only 6 inches, but the whole ocean, right down to the very bottom, is moving. It's shifted because of some tremendous shock, tidal shock, earthquake shock or something. That's the meaning of tidal wave. The whole ocean is, you see, shifted, and it's just moving like that. Ordinary waves are just on the surface. So that type of a shift may only, in the middle of the ocean, create a 6-inch or 1-foot wave. 1.5, just a big ship, just hardly notice it. But it's going right from the top down to the bottom. And when that comes up to the shore, and then the depth becomes less, and it turns into a huge wave. So in the shallow water, some people may show so many symptoms, of course, because Prabhupada was right from the top down to the very depth of spiritual realization. So we could only see the little surface symptom, but actually it was going so deep. Someone without such a depth of realization, he may show more of a wave on the surface, and that goes so deep. So Srila Prabhupada has that complete depth. So, of course, people externally, they can't understand. Either they see, oh, I think he's very serious. Externally, you can understand. Even this is